Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I am going to show how to delete your public or private repo in GitHub. So let's start. So guys, first of all, in your GitHub account you can see all the repo there. As you can see, I'm going to click this one and you can search there. So in the specific repo you have to go to settings, and then from there you can rename it. And also if you scroll down, then you can see in the danger zone you can change the visibility from public to private or private to public, and you can also transfer the ownership, and also you can archive this repo, and in the end you can delete this repo. So I'm going to delete it. You have to click on delete this repository. So as you can see, this is saying you have to type this thing: Numan Gafar FineGap testing, and you have to click I understand the consequences, delete this repo. So at the last you have to type your password there, and you have to click on confirm. So guys, as you can see, we have successfully deleted the repo in your GitHub account. And guys, by this way you can delete your all repo in GitHub. And I hope you must find this video useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Finally, thanks for watching.